How to sign in Riot Games account. So if you want to sign in to Riot Games account, then first of all open up a browser, go for the search bar and search for Riot Games, and here go for www.riotgames.com. And now here on the upper right corner you will have this sign in option. Click on sign in, and to sign into your account, first you have to enter your username or your email address, and then you have to enter your password. But if you have used your Facebook, Google, Apple, or your Xbox, then you can use any one of these accounts to log into your account. And if you want to sign in, like if you want to stay signed in on your device, then you can click here, simply enter your password and then click on the arrow. So that's it. That's how you log into your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.